Hey, what's up guys? Ryan here from ExtremeTerrain, and today I'm here with the Omix ADA hardtop seal kit fitting your 2011 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, if you've noticed some wear and tear within your hardtop, or if you're just dealing with a leak, then this hardtop seal kit may just be the perfect fix. This kit's gonna come with all 17 pieces that you need to replace in order to keep your hardtop sealed down on your Wrangler. Now, this seal kit is made from high quality foam with a 3M backing and is the perfect maintenance solution to keep that inclement weather out and your interior dry. Currently, this kit is coming in right around $18 and is your only option for a full seal kit. This is a very affordable and reasonable option as far as these maintenance solutions go, making it very worthwhile in the long run. Now, as far as installation goes, I am going to give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, as you can get this installed in about an hour. And with that being said, let's hop into the install. Now, to install these seals is relatively simple. However, we do need to take the hardtop off. That way we can access all those areas and swap those seals out. Now, you're gonna have the actual hardtop that we need to remove, and we're gonna have our freedom panels up here. So we're gonna start with our freedom panel. So let's get inside and get started. So to get these freedom panels out, we're gonna go to the back of the freedom panels at our sound bar. You're gonna have these little cup bolts. What we need to do is unscrew these. So we're gonna start with those, and all you do is just get underneath of these, twist them out. If you've already taken your freedom panels off, you may not even have these things installed. So I need to get both of these out because you have one per panel. After that, we need to undo the latches for our freedom panels. You're just going to slide these aside. Then we'll go up front here and get this last latch off. After that, you can lift up, remove it from the vehicle. Same thing to get that other freedom panel off. I'll undo this latch back here, and we have one up here. After that, we can lift this thing up and off. So now we have our freedom panels off on the table upside down. You can see where all these seals are located. On each freedom panel, you're gonna have seals in all 4 corners. And the nice thing about this kit is it's gonna give you all of those seals to replace. Now with this kit, you're gonna get a ton of different shaped seals. So it's a good idea to lay them all out, figure out where they're gonna go. We are gonna do one seal at a time. We'll pull a seal off, clean the area, stick a brand new seal on there. That way we know exactly where that seal landed and we can put it in that same exact spot. So we're gonna go around and do one at a time. Okay, so to get these seals off, you can use a scraping tool. However, it seems like you can pretty much roll them off with your fingertip. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna roll these seals off, and then we'll clean this surface and stick the new ones on. Now we want to clean this surface, so it would be a good idea to get some alcohol wipes or some isopropyl alcohol. And all we're going to do is just make sure that this is oil-free, contaminant-free, and that our new adhesive back on these foam pieces are going to stick. So we peel our backing off. We made sure that this matched up. It was the same exact size. So what we're going to do is just place this in that same exact position. So we're going to line it up with the edges just like that. Lay that down on there. After we get that on, we can move on to the next one. So we're just gonna work our way around. As you can see, we got that same size piece right there. So we'll go ahead and just do that same thing, roll this thing off with our fingertips. Now these ones on the edge, you can see it has a odd shape to it. So we've picked out that correct size right there. We'll go ahead and do that same thing, just peel this off. Now we want to match this whole area up, so we're going to start down here. So in the corner, you can see we have two that are gonna overlap right here. So we're gonna pick out this one for this edge. We also have this other slim one. It has a pretty thick foam base. These are gonna overlap each other. So we're gonna peel both these off. We'll do this seal right here first, and then we'll lay this other one over top. So after you get one of them done, you can move on to the next Freedom panel, and we're gonna do that same thing, starting with that little complicated corner. Now on this corner one here, you're gonna have this little rubber gasket, and all this is laid over, and it's actually glued to this rubber gasket. So we're not trying to pull this gasket off there. We want that to stay there, but we want to get the rest of this glue and everything off of here. So we're gonna swap this one out. We're cleaning the glue off of this rubber section. You might have to use something a little stronger, an adhesive remover. We're actually using Goof Off, and that's doing a pretty good job at breaking up this glue because we want this surface to be completely clean when we put that new section on. So there's one last thing that I'd like to mention. Now with this kit, you're gonna get a few extra seals. We couldn't find a placement for them, and while our 2015 did not utilize the use of these particular seals, depending on your year and model, you may have to use them. However, like I said, we got all of our seals installed in our Freedom panels, so we're gonna set these seals aside and get these installed. So to put these back on, we're gonna start with the passenger side one, since that has the seal for the center section, and we're gonna basically do the reverse procedure of getting them off. So we'll line this up, make sure that all of it lines up, then we can lock these down, and we'll get the other one installed. All right, once you reinstall those cups, you're good to go. So that's gonna wrap it up for my review and install. For more videos and products like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.